everyone, it's Lily Wu with H2O at Home. I wanted to talk about our dusting kit today. It comes with this shorter handle here, but you can attach it to our essential pole, which is the one that I use for my broom. So let me grab it. So you just snap it right on. And then you're ready to clean anything that's tall and high up. You can bend this in any way you need so that you can reach different things. And this pole, I think, goes up to something crazy like 10 feet, which, you know, I won't need for now. But I haven't cleaned my fan in so long that what I like to do is dampen this part just a little bit so that it helps to really hold on to the dust. So I'm going to do that real quick. All right, I'm just going to dampen it a little. And then, let's see if you guys can see here. Okay, we just wipe. You'll see that none of it fell down. I'm not covered in dust like it's dandruff or anything. And hopefully you can see that. Look, there's like so much dust on that. Let me see if I can get another one before okay, look. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like so much dust on it. Like I can get all the dust off. So, lovely. And then you can, you can bend it, use the other side. This whole thing comes off. It's just a dust cover that's held on by Velcro, so you can just take it off, throw it in the wash, or if you clean your ceiling fan more often than I do, you could just take it outside and dust it off there and then use it, and then you just take it out to wash every once in a while. So here, let me try to get this one. See, I love that it really catches it, so it's not like snowing on me. You just have to wet it just a little bit. All right, and then there you have it. It's the H2O dusting kit.